Hey, the seller sent me this 60-inch wide retractable gate for free, so I'm going to set it up, check it out, and give you my thoughts. So let's take a closer look at the gate. Now you can see that this will retract. There's a button on the top that you can lock this in place when you don't want it to retract. So on the back side are your mounting brackets. I like that the bottom bracket can adjust, move up and down. That way if you have some taller baseboard, you can work around that. This comes with everything that you need to install, and this comes with screws and anchors. If you're screwing into drywall without a stud, you're definitely going to want to use the anchors. The backing plates here have double-sided tape. That way we can line this up, get it situated, it'll stick on, and we can measure out our holes. So for your brackets on the back, these slide right in. They lock in, and then there's a little tab here on the bottom. That way you can slide your gate off. All right, we'll just peel the backing off the tape. Now we'll unclip the gate, and you can see your gate slides right off. We'll just pre-drill a couple holes so we don't split our wood. Now we'll remount the gate. All right, we got our hooks installed. So now you can see the finished product. We brought it out a little bit, that way it's away from the top of the stairs. But to open this up, make sure your gate's unlocked. And this stores nice and easy, it rolls right up. I like this better than like a solid gate. We don't have to disassemble anything or store it. It stores right here on the side. And then when you want to close off your area, you just pull it right out. Attach it to your hooks. I love how quickly I can block off this area. Now, if you're concerned about somebody sneaking under this, there are some floor hooks here that will tighten it up on the bottom. And then we'll take a little bit closer look at the material here. This is a black mesh. It's got some reinforcements in the middle. This is 33 inches tall, so it's definitely tall enough for our dog. Overall, I think this is a really simple way to block out an area.